Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this abundance meditation for cultivating infinite abundance in your life. This is going to be a slightly different spin on the usual abundance meditation, and be sure to repeat this regularly to connect to that frequency and create the maximum abundance within your life. Start by either sitting comfortably in a chair or lying down and closing your eyes. Get as comfortable and relaxed as possible, but set the intention to stay awake and alert to receive the maximum benefit from this session. Start off by taking a really slow, deep breath in through the nose, filling up your entire body, and releasing out through the mouth slowly and easefully. And now let's do just 2 breath holds. Breathe really deep in through the nose, fill up the entire body, and hold the breath gently at the top. Feel your body head to toe as you hold for a moment. And slowly release out through the mouth, relaxing a little deeper as you do. Great, now let's take one last deep breath in through the nose, filling up every cell of the body and holding calm and strong at the top, feeling the abundance of energy head to toe as you hold. And slowly letting the air out of the balloon, allowing everything to decompress as you exhale out through the mouth. And now settle into a final position and commit to consistent physical stillness in your mind now. As you allow the breath to return to normal, be aware of your face and allow the facial muscles to relax, the little muscles around the eyes to soften, the tongue to drop to the floor of the mouth, the jaw muscles to unclench. Sense the energy in your neck and shoulders, and allow the spindles of the muscles in that area to soften slightly. Feel the awareness wash down into your arms and hands, and allow all effort to evaporate from the arms and hands. Sense the electricity coursing up and down the chest and stomach, and allow that area to soften and open with the breath. Feeling that relaxation and sense of release extend into the back muscles as they release into the support. And feel that sense of relaxation wash into the legs and feet. Feeling the breath coursing through the entire physical body as the energy has a smooth, open conversation with itself, head to toe. And now let's shift our focus to the first step of cultivating abundance within and without. It can seem counterintuitive, but as we embrace this step, it will set the foundation to be 10 times more effective in the cultivation of abundance. So starting off by being aware of the blocks to abundance. Any fear, scarcity, lack, or limitation in any area of your life that you wish to release. Simply start by being non-judgmentally aware of that. Give yourself a moment of compassionate self-understanding. Perhaps you can observe where these patterns or energies came from, and even notice if they helped you, served you, or protected you in some way, or not, at some point in your life. And as you observe that, start to notice if and where you feel those energies within your body. Maybe you notice sensations that accompany the awareness of those elements of your subconscious. And if it feels safe to do so, simply allow those sensations to be present for a moment within the body so they can start to clear out. Allow them to rise up to the surface. Notice where you feel them. Notice what the sensations feel like. And simply take this moment to non-judgmentally and even lovingly acknowledge those aspects of yourself. Instead of rejecting them, bring them up to the level of vibration and intention that you wish to move towards. Holding that energy of lack, limitation, fear, or scarcity in the space and context of unconditional and total love as best you can in this moment. Release all resistance to those energies. Don't think about them. Simply be aware of the sensations they're comprised of and allow them to flow through you like a wave as you witness them dissolving with each effortless breath. Let them go as completely as possible now. Hand them over to a greater energy of your understanding. Allow those energies to dissolve and evaporate, to return from wherever they came from, to release them and clear out space as you welcome a feeling of lightness to emerge spontaneously. In that space, start to welcome in all the energies that you wish to bring in. The energies of abundance, love, joy, peace, and lightness. Feel yourself harmonizing with those energies as you breathe them into every cell of your body. And now let's create a rock-solid foundation for abundance by being aware of a deep felt sense of gratitude. Start to become aware of the little things in your life that are rich and full in and of themselves, like the feeling of sunshine on your skin, the calming rustling sounds of the wind trickling through the leaves on the trees, or the comfort of a warm drink on a cool day. Welcoming in the awareness of a sense of gratitude for all these innately full little things in your life. And now shifting your awareness to the specifics of your life. What aspects, elements, and relationships in your life are you grateful for? Deliberately shifting any focus away from limitation and putting the entirety of your focus on the sense of gratitude for the specific things in your life that are already there, and feeling the sense of fullness and gratitude as they rotate through your awareness. And as your perspective gravitates towards these things, welcome in the awareness of the already present abundance in your life. Don't think about it logically, just start to harmonize with the feeling of abundance as it overflows through your body and your energy, with the breath. Notice how your cup is already starting to fill and overflow simply by choosing deeply what to focus on. And now from that sense of internally created, overflowing abundance, let's shift our focus to the abundance that we wish to create in our lives, but keeping in mind that we're doing this as a reflection of the internal abundance that we've already generated. So we're planting the seeds now to create that without needing it as much, without fearing losing it, so we can enjoy it as icing on the cake of what we've already created inside. And now start to envision and feel an abundance of health and vitality in your life. However that manifests, whether in your strength and fitness, your nutrition, your energy levels, your sleep quality and rest, whatever looks and feels like a total abundance of health and vitality, see that vividly and allow yourself to feel that in your body like it's happening right now. Breathing in a total sense of health, vitality, and energy in abundance, totally harmonized and aligned to that on an energetic level. And now shifting your focus to an abundance of wealth, whatever that means to you, whether it's an abundance of wealth of finances, knowledge, resources, wisdom, whatever form that wealth comes in, see that and feel that in detail with a limitless sense of abundance. Breathe in that abundance of wealth and feel the energy of that circulating smoothly and freely within and around you right now in this moment. And now shift your attention to creating and welcoming a sense of abundance within your relationships. Whatever kind of love, connection, friendship, closeness, and specific kinds of energies and emotional feelings you wish to welcome into your life, see in detail and feel in your body an abundance within your relationships and the energy you wish to create. See and feel your relationship to yourself getting better and stronger every day, and the positive energy of that overflowing to every one of your other relationships, creating a positive and virtuous cycle of loving energy in all of your connections. Breathing that in and allowing that cup to overflow right now in this moment. And now finally, see and feel the way you would move and speak and feel with that total sense of abundance within yourself and reflected outside in the external world. Feel the sense of deep relaxation, presence, and overflowing deep gratitude and love. See that version of yourself in detail and collapse the separation between you and that image by allowing yourself to feel that as completely and entirely as possible throughout every cell of your body as you flow with the breath right now in this moment. Take a moment to yourself now to relax and steep yourself deeply in that felt sense of abundance. Perhaps setting the intention to compassionately acknowledge and let go of anything that contradicts that energy throughout your day, whether from within or outside of you, and to return to the wellspring of this overflowing and robust energy that you've cultivated. And when you feel ready, feel free to open your eyes and move intuitively at your own pace, consciously carrying this frequency of abundance back into your day. Be sure to practice this session regularly to create this frequency within yourself, and be sure to notice and enjoy the positive shifts and benefits that you create over time. Please share this track with anyone you think it might benefit. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more sessions like this. And feel free to leave a like, a comment, to make a donation, to ask a question, and I hope you have an amazing day.